Next po tayo guys, there's another maliit na Tupperware. And sa loob naman po, ayan, nagpadala si mama ng yung detergent para sa floor. Liquid na soap para sa floor kapag nagmamap. So, nandito siya guys. This one guys, ayan, there's another something here. Tingnan natin. Nail polish. Ayan, 3 nail polish to guys. Hindi ko alam kung meron pa dito. Ayan. So, may metallic blue. Ayan, mapapansin nyo. Metallic dark blue. Meron siyang with glitters guys. Silver with glitters. Hindi ko lang makikita. Ayan. And metallic gray. Ayan, metallic gray guys. Ayan. So, meron na naman tayong, since natanggal ko na rin yung extension ko guys, ayan, gagawa din tayo soon ulit ng bagong extension with new colors guys. And then, more shampoo. Ayan, more